for this diorama, we have here a 15 inches deep by 19 inches wide by 14.5 inches tall diorama, which are made wholly with XPS foam, and the walls are also magnetized to each other as my previous dioramas as usual. So this diorama has at least 5 main parts. So I have here 4 magnetized wall and a base. So for each wall, I make sure that I use different design so that the client could use this setting as his as he preferred it to do. So for our first wall, on our first side wall, you have here just common wall with some sort of window in which I use gutter mesh on this part right here, and the whole face or the whole base of this wall is made wholly with XPS foam. And also I put up some, I call this forget the name of the material, but the material is used commonly on clear books. So instead of using laminating sheet, I use this clear book sheet material for my glass window. So this is just a common side wall. In here, this part right here is the main theme that I'm thinking for this part is that this is a back door of a restaurant with a some sort of loading dock area which they could pick up their cargo that will be brought inside the restaurant. So I just did here a common door with which is attached using dollhouse hinges. Then this piece right here, the rolling gate, is not removable for this area. Yeah, it's not removable, but the platform for the loading dock as usual is movable. Remove. Remove. So I just need to keep the platform there and then stair. It's like that. Okay. So okay, for the other wall, which is on the center wall, you have here a this is just an external warehouse. So you should, as usual, on my warehouse design or external warehouse, I usually make this piece or the rolling door removable so that the user could utilize this area right here during his toy photography session. So this wall is also made wholly with XPS foam. That this window detail right here is made out of aquarium divider and this electrical fuse or electrical fuse right here is made out of XPS foam. already, so I will not remove the window. So for the last wall we have here, a actually I'm kind of thinking of a some sort of warehouse for this side wall, but I ended up making a Chinatown lumber storage house of some sort. So the wall is made wholly with XPS foam. However, this sign, this is what I love about this side wall, that I cut out, or I printed out some signs, Chinese signs from Google, which is actually for Chinatown lumber, and then cut it out through using XPS foam. I cut out the design and pattern it on an XPS foam and painted it out. So you have here a embossed store name, or storage name. Then this side will also have this AC right here, which is made from Sintra board. Okay, so the window frame right here is also made out of aquarium divider. Okay, so for the glass, same with the material that I used from the previous glass, window glass that I did. I used this clear book sheets, and then paint it out with clear yellow using acrylic paint, lacquer paint. And also same with the door that is on the restaurant. This door right here is also removed. Is modular, or can be opened, and it's also attached using small hinges, dollhouse hinges. For the accessories, we have here some wooden crates that are made out of Sintra board. I think I have a tutorial here in the channel on how I made this wooden crate boxes. And then I also have these wooden pallets, which are made out of popsicle sticks and detailed using acrylic paint. Also this oil drums that came from my son's toy. I actually have 4 of those drums. So basically I just sanded and then painted it with red and white. These oil drums are actually perfectly scaled with 1/12 action figures. So I just want you to see how it's scaled with an hand ninja from Marble Legend. So that's how the oil drum and the whole diorama is scaled to 1/12 scaled action figures. But you can also use this for McFarlane action figures, which are 1/10 scale. So here you go. yeah, I think that's all of it. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions in the channel, don't be shy, message me and comment it out here in this video, and I'll see you again in our next diorama. Bye.